it's Key. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm doing the voiceover for Elle's amazing cornbread muffins. The full directions and the ingredients she used will be in the link in the description box below, so make sure you check it out on being2minds.com. So first off, she starts with the dry ingredients. So you want to put all of the dries together. That's the cornmeal, the flour, sugar and baking powder. The exact measurements of the ingredients will be on the blog post on being2minds.com, so please click the link in the description box. And then you just want to mix all of that in completely, and then once you've done that, you want to put that to one side and grab another bowl, and then you want to start with the liquid. So you add in the milk and then the eggs, and then you whisk. Well, you can whisk, but Elle's using, I'm guessing, a wooden spatula. Yeah, let's go with that. So you just want to mix that together and then add in another egg, so that's 2 eggs in total, and just keep mixing the eggs and the milk together. And now she's adding the butter, half of the butter, so she's doing it in stages, it looks like. I don't know why, let's just go with it. I don't think you have to do it like that, but it might have been easier to mix. She's just adding the rest of that butter, and then she's just gonna mix that up. Just keep mixing, and then after that she's adding some honey, and then mixing that in. So now you want to combine the two mixtures and make it one. So pour in half of the liquid and then mix, and then mix that up, and then pour in the rest of the liquid, and then you want to mix that. Every little drop counts. Yep. Just gonna keep mixing, really mix it up, and just really mix it in until it gets to like a smoothish consistency, which we're getting there. And yeah, so you want it to look like that. I think if she used a whisk there might not have been butter lumps, but it shouldn't matter because it's gonna melt. There probably would have been butter lumps actually, I don't know. So now is on to the flavors of the cornbread. So I believe she did 3 different flavors, and this is the garlic and herb flavor, which she's putting in now. I'm not 100% sure what herb that is she's using, which is why you definitely need to check it out on the blog post. Now she's just mixing that together. Just mixing it all in, and then she's adding, I'm guessing it's paprika, because I know paprika, so it's paprika. If I'm wrong, I'm strong. Yeah, so you just want to mix that in, and then on to the next one. Oh, you want to make sure you have extra bowls to pour out the original mix to create the next flavor. So this one is cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? If you don't, sorry. So you just want to mix in the cheese with that mixture, and then wait, orange and cheese. Okay, I think this is the 3rd one definitely, because orange and cheese is a bit weird. So yeah, you want to extract the juice from the orange just as she did, and then mix that in so it's not so liquidy. Liquidy, is that a word? Well, it is today. So now she's gonna add in the vanilla and powdered sugar for that like nice sweet savory taste. And then she mixes that in. Now you want to butter the muffin tin to make sure they don't stick to the tin. like she's using the spray on butter, and then she's putting the mixture in the tin using a ice cream scooper. I mean, you could use something else, but this is doing the job, so yeah, why not? So you fill all the way up to the top, and then you should be done. You probably want to preheat the oven. All of that information will be on the blog post. Oh, then you top that cheese flavor with more cheese, because you can never have too much cheese. And then you pop it in the oven. And I must say, they do look nice already. So it's like a sauce, like a glaze, I'm assuming. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. So we got milk, powdered sugar, then mix that in. No lumps, just keep mixing it. And now some honey. And then mix that up. And then some more orange juice from the orange. And then you want to soak the orange slices in the sauce that she just made. Just give it a little shake and let it sit for a bit to really get that flavor. Now they're done, you want to take them out the oven, and then that same sauce that she made, you want to put the orange slices on the orange flavored cornbread, as she's doing. And then you want to pour some of it on top, just a bit, I guess, for it to sink in and give it more flavor. Now she's just taking them out of the tin tray and placing it on a plate, dish, whatever suits your fancy. The cheese ones are a bit overdone. That's probably because you might want to keep an eye on them, because cheese burns pretty quick. So yeah, she's just popping them out. See how they're just kind of gliding out. That's the butter. That's a tip. So now she's just showing off, showing how they should look. We get it. Lovely. And the orange flavored ones she did put back in the oven to brown a bit more. But that was it. So thanks for watching. Definitely make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know when we upload another video, and then you'll get a lovely alert and not miss out. Please leave a comment and let us know which ones you tried or what other cornbread muffin flavors you've done before, and check the blog for full info on these cornbread muffins. Thank you. Bye.